Hey guys, welcome to Doctor's Tutorial. In today's video, we'll learn how to add reviews to your Shopify store for free. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So today, we'll walk you through the process of integrating customer reviews into your Shopify store to boost credibility and trust. But before we dive into the step-by-step guide, let's start with a quick overview of Shopify. So this is a robust e-commerce platform that allows you to create and manage your online store with ease. So whether you're a new business owner or looking to expand your existing store, Shopify provides the tools you need to sell products, track inventory, and manage customer orders seamlessly. So as you can see in here, it provides a comprehensive dashboard, a centralized inventory tracking, and marketing is made simple. So also shopping, it also says that shipping that makes sense. So you could bring your brand to life with tons of template that you could use into Shopify, and you could also customize with ease and even more functionality. So as you can see, we have high quality apps that you could integrate, custom content, scale seamlessly, and some reviews in here or blogs that are very helpful to you. So you can check out these resources or helpful tips and best practices to utilize Shopify onto its fullest potential. Now, before we go onto the logging in or signing in onto our account, let's start first onto how can these reviews benefit your Shopify store. So actually, the reviews onto its Shopify stores, just like this review in here, are essential element of any online store or website. So just like you might read it here, so some of the potential buyers will check product reviews before making their purchases. So reviews provide social proof, build trust, and help shoppers make informed decision. So how can reviews benefit your Shopify store? They will increase your store's credibility, establish trust with customers, and ultimately drive more sales. So this will help in positive reviews since this will act as an endorsement from satisfied customers, which can be significant factor in converting visitors into buyers. And for you to be able to get started, there is actually a free trial here onto Shopify. You could actually log in if you have an account already, and if you don't have an account yet, just click on to start free trial. Now, if you choose to sign up, for you to be able to get started, Shopify will help you get set up based on your business need. So you'll just have to follow the prompts in here, answer which of this best describes you, or you could just skip this all. So you'll just have to follow all of the steps, type in your email and then your passwords, or you could choose if you want to log in using your Google account or other website so that you'll get redirected onto their dashboard. So this is what Shopify's dashboard will look like. So if you're starting out just like me, here onto the home section or here onto the middle part, you could actually a setup guide. So you could use this personalized guide to get your store up and running. So you could see in here, you could add in your first product, customize your online store, add a custom domain, add sharing details. You could see also the store settings in here and launch your online store. So you could see their website in here or their logo, the search bar here onto the middle part, your notification, and your account settings if you click here onto the upper right. So you could see all stores, help center, change log, community forums. You could hire in a Shopify partner, keyboard shortcuts, your account, and manage account. And here you could also log out. So you could also select a plan in here. So as you can see, I'm just currently using the free plan. So if you want to choose a plan, so we have here the basic, which is most popular, starting at $1 per month for first 3 months, the Shopify in here, and the advanced. So you could choose which plan you want to use. Here are some of the features also that it offers. The retail, starter, and all the plans above include these features in here. So you could just go ahead and choose which plan you want to use so that you could go ahead and use it. Now going back here onto the left side, we have here the home. So this one, we also can see here the orders, the products, the customers into your account, content, analytics, marketing, discounts, and the sales channel, which is the online store and point of sales, and also the apps and settings of your store. And to get started, you'll just need to head here onto the app section. So you'll just have to click onto this one in here. And as you can see, there is a search bar that has popped up. You can see the all recommended apps in here, your installed apps, and the app and sales channel settings. So we're going to go ahead and try to click onto all recommended apps in here so that we could go ahead and see this pick for you. So as you can see, if we scroll down here onto the bottom part, you could see find more apps in the Shopify App Store. Now to open the App Store, we'll just have to click onto Shopify App Store in here. So we're gonna go ahead and install something so that we could use this feature. So here onto the search bar, the app that we're going to use in here is product reviews. So we're going to search in here product reviews. So click on enter so that you'll get redirected onto the search results in here. So actually, this is both free and dependable. So you could also try to use which one you prefer. If you have anything or if you're familiar with something in here, you could try to use onto that one to have your product reviews shown onto your store. Now I'll just have to scroll down until I find this icon, product review, my app guru. So we'll have to click onto that so that you'll get a quick overview onto what it would look like. So as you can see in here, this will gather customer review, which is hassle-free and quicker using this app. So it has a user-friendly interface to enhance the customer experience and help them to make informed decision. So the review feature is highly customizable and users can decide its look as per their requirements. So it has a responsive design to ensure ease of accessibility on multiple devices, and customers can provide feedback from anywhere at any time. So for us to be able to use this, we'll have to click onto this install button, and as you can see, it is just completely free. You have the rating of 4.5, the developer, and just click onto install to get started. Then right after, you'll get redirected here onto this page to install this onto your device. So you'll just have to click onto install app to completely install this so that you could access customer and store information and also view your customer information onto your Shopify store. Now, once that one is already done, you'll get redirected onto another page. So this is actually the customization section. So you will see where you get the email notification. So just check this if you want the email when someone review your product, show reviews later on all pages. So you could just click onto that, or you could add in a custom CSS so that your code will go here. You could save it and the layout for your reviews. So we have the list, grid, and slider for that. So we're just gonna offer list in here. And once that one is already good, you could also see here the all reviews. Here onto the all reviews, you could see the different reviews that are made onto your store. Currently, since I don't have some products onto my device, I don't have a review in here. You could also see here the approved reviews. So if you click onto that, you'll get redirected here onto the approved reviews and also the pending reviews onto your Shopify store. Now going back, now you could actually pin this to your navigation. Also onto this three dots, you can manage the app, get support for this app that you have installed, or uninstall this one. So these review will appear on your product pages, complete with ratings, reviewer names, and dates. So you can even reply to reviews to build a stronger connection with your customers. So it is crucial to remember that reviews are a pundit form of social proof. You can use positive reviews to build trust with potential customers, and consider sharing these reviews on your social media platforms to provide even more credibility to your business. And if you think this tutorial was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you onto our next video.